Good morning. Out here on my morning walk. Just wanted to document my time, share what was on my mind this morning. You see, we already know most people don't fail because the opportunity didn't work. Most people fail because they quit too soon. And most people quit too soon because they don't see results quick enough. But the part that nobody's really talking about is why they're not seeing the results quick enough. And it's most times because they're not plugged into a simple, structured system. You know, people like easy, simple. Step 1, step 2, step 3, duplicate. When things start becoming complicated, people disconnect. And that's why I've been taking a serious look at this ULM structure. See, it simplifies the system, but it actually amplifies the business. And if you're somebody who likes simple systems, you might want to take a look. And remember, it's always MOE, M-O-E, math over emotions. All right.